My name's Tom, and welcome to Things About Stuff. You've probably seen a ton of videos already about 3D printers, maker tools, and other creative gear. Most of them are made by people who have been doing this stuff for years, maybe even decades. And that's awesome. I love it too. But it's also not what this channel is about. Because when you've been doing something forever, it's easy to forget what it feels like to be brand new. This channel is about that beginner moment, the first unboxing, the first setup, the first wait. Did I just break something moment? Right now, everything you're seeing here is brand new to me. A Bamboo Lab 3D printer that hasn't even been opened, a whole lot of filament, and a growing stack of Eufy Make accessories, with even more gear still on the way. Over the next videos, we're going to unbox it all, set it up from scratch, and figure things out in real time. Not from the perspective of an expert, but from the perspective of a regular person opening these boxes for the very first time and asking, is this actually easy? Is this beginner friendly? And what do you wish someone had told you before you started? There won't be any pretending I know everything. There will be mistakes. There will be learning. And over time, there will be real progress that you can actually see. So if you're new to maker stuff, or thinking about jumping in, or just want honest reviews from someone who hasn't been doing this forever, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe, stick around for the upcoming unboxings, and join me as we figure this out together. Because everyone starts somewhere, and this channel is about starting right here.